Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. We all see those celebrities on the red carpet. Their skin is glowing. They look absolutely radiant. Achieving that coveted celebrity glow isn't just about expensive treatments or good genes. It's about having a solid skincare routine and embracing a few insider tips and tricks. We'll explore everything from the importance of cleansing and moisturizing to the magic of masks and the wonders of exfoliation. Because everyone deserves to have healthy, glowing skin, regardless of their budget. Let's kick things off with the eternally youthful Nicole Kidman. She's a firm believer in keeping things simple and consistent. And her secret weapon? Sunscreen. Nicole is religious about applying sunscreen daily, rain or shine. She knows that protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays is the #1 key to preventing premature aging. Nicole also emphasizes the importance of gentle cleansing and moisturizing. She opts for a mild cleanser that doesn't strip her skin of its natural oils. And she follows up with a rich moisturizer to keep her complexion hydrated and supple. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Now, let's talk about Antonia Gentry, the breakout star of Ginny and Georgia. Antonia is a true advocate for sun safety. She's open about her struggles with hyperpigmentation and often shares her experiences to raise awareness about the importance of protecting your skin from the sun. Antonia's top tip: find a sunscreen that you actually enjoy wearing. It shouldn't feel heavy or greasy on your skin. Experiment with different formulations until you find one that suits your skin type and lifestyle. Sunscreen is your best defense against premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and skin cancer. Next up, we have Joy Sunday, the talented actress known for her roles in The Chi and Dog. Joy is a fan of incorporating high-tech skincare treatments into her routine. One treatment that Joy swears by is microcurrent facials. These facials use low-level electrical currents to stimulate the facial muscles, promoting collagen production and improving skin elasticity. She also enjoys LED light therapy, another popular high-tech treatment that uses different wavelengths of light to target specific skin concerns. While high-tech treatments can be pricey, they can be a worthwhile investment for those looking to take their skincare routine to the next level. Consider consulting with a dermatologist or esthetician to determine which treatments are right for your skin type and concerns. Section 5. Sabrina Elba's Masking Magic, Unveiling Radiant Skin. Now let's talk about Sabrina Elba, the model and activist known for her impeccable skin. Sabrina is a huge advocate for the power of masking. She believes that regular masking is essential for maintaining a healthy and radiant complexion. She enjoys experimenting with different types of masks, from hydrating sheet masks to detoxifying clay masks, depending on her skin's needs. Sabrina's top tip? Multi-masking. This involves applying different masks to different areas of your face simultaneously, targeting specific concerns. Incorporating masks into your skincare routine is a fun and effective way to give your skin a boost. Section 6. Ryan Destiny's Budget-Friendly Finds, Achieving Great Skin Without Breaking the Bank. Next up, we have Ryan Destiny, the talented actress and singer known for her role in Star. Ryan believes that you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve great skin. One of Ryan's go-to products is rosehip oil. This affordable oil is packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids that nourish and protect the skin. She also loves using aloe vera gel to soothe and calm her skin. There are plenty of affordable skincare options out there that are just as effective as their high-end counterparts. Section 7. Christie Brinkley's Exfoliation Expertise, Polishing Your Way to Smoothness. Finally, let's talk about the iconic Christie Brinkley, who seems to defy time with her youthful radiance. Christie is a firm believer in the power of exfoliation. She understands that regular exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. She recommends exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. Christie's preferred method of exfoliation? A gentle scrub. Exfoliation helps your skincare products penetrate deeper and work more effectively. Section 8. Conclusion. Your journey to radiant skin starts today. So there you have it. Skincare secrets from some of Hollywood's most radiant stars. Remember, achieving that coveted celebrity glow isn't about trying to look like someone else. It's about taking care of your skin and embracing your natural beauty. Your journey to radiant skin starts today. So go ahead and give your skin the love and attention it deserves.